Think front raises are one of the easiest shoulder exercises? That's exactly why so many people do them wrong. And if you're making these mistakes, you could be limiting your shoulder growth without even realizing it. Watch closely. See the body swinging backward? This is one of the most common mistakes. Instead of your shoulders lifting the weight, momentum is doing most of the work. Ever feel discomfort in the front of your shoulder after front raises? Poor mechanics can place unnecessary stress on the shoulder joint, turning a great exercise into a potential problem. Here's another mistake: using weights that are simply too heavy. If you have to lean back to get the dumbbells moving, the weight is controlling you, not the other way around. A lot of lifters believe higher is better. But lifting the weights far above shoulder height often shifts tension away from the front delts and into other muscles. Notice how the traps start taking over? When this happens, the muscle you're trying to train becomes less involved. More movement doesn't always mean more results. So what's the fix? Start with a weight you can completely control. A lighter dumbbell performed correctly will often build more muscle than a heavier one performed poorly. Before the lift even begins, your setup matters. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart and create a stable foundation from the ground up. Think of your core like the foundation of a skyscraper. If the foundation is weak, everything built on top becomes unstable. Brace your abs as if someone is about to lightly punch your stomach. Not too hard, just enough to keep your torso stable throughout the movement. Keep a slight bend in your knees. Locked knees can make your body rigid, while a small bend helps create balance and control. Here's a detail most people miss. Gently pull your shoulder blades down and back. This creates a stronger and safer position for your shoulders. Let the dumbbells rest in front of your thighs. Chest up, core tight, neck relaxed. This is your starting position. Now begin raising the dumbbells in front of you. No jerking, no swinging. Imagine you're moving through thick water. As the weights travel upward, maintain the same body position. If your torso starts moving, that's your signal to reduce the weight. This is the target zone. Stop when your hands reach about shoulder height. For most people, this is where the front delts work the hardest. Pause briefly at the top. Feel the shoulders working. That tiny pause can dramatically improve muscle activation. Now lower the dumbbells slowly. Many people rush this part, but the lowering phase is where a lot of muscle building happens. Compare these two reps: one relies on momentum. The other relies on muscle. Which one do you think will produce better results over time? Swinging, shrugging, and lifting too high. These three mistakes steal tension from the front delts and place it where you don't want it. Stable torso. Controlled motion. Relaxed neck. Shoulder height finish. That's what an effective front raise should look like. Funny enough, perfect form often looks boring. But the most effective reps are usually the least dramatic. Want an advanced tip? Think about leading slightly with your elbows instead of your hands. This can help maintain better shoulder engagement. Allow the dumbbells to follow your natural shoulder path. Your body isn't a machine, so don't force perfectly straight lines. Try a slower tempo. 2 seconds up, 1 second pause, 3 seconds down. Suddenly even moderate weights feel incredibly challenging. The goal isn't to move the dumbbells from point A to point B. The goal is to make your front delts do as much work as possible. Quick checklist. Stable stance. Tight core. Slight elbow bend. Controlled raise. Shoulder height finish. Slow lowering. Now put everything together and perform one flawless repetition. Focus on quality, not quantity. Notice the difference? Lighter weight, better control, stronger muscle activation. Sometimes less weight produces more results. Mastering front raises isn't about lifting the heaviest dumbbells in the gym. It's about precision, control, and consistency. Practice these techniques, stay patient, and your shoulders will grow stronger with every workout. Flexed biceps fire.